how to make the best scrambled eggs, and I'll show you how to do it fast and easy. First of all, foremost, use butter. Want these eggs nice and buttery, and you can see how quick it melts. Also, low heat to start. Okay, and there you go. Just threw 3 eggs in there. Again, this is simple style. We don't need to complicate this much. All right, as you can see, just do it real simple. So nice eggs, and now what we're gonna do is just gonna turn it up a little bit. Okay. And then we're just going to scramble these up a little bit. Lots of butter in here. We don't have to worry about nothing. And you can see how when we scramble them up, this is not going to stick to the bottom. There's plenty of butter. And I never really use high heat on this. I just kind of go slow and just do them up real nice. Towards the end, I might turn it up a little bit. But in general, we're just scrambling them up real nice. You can see none sticking. It's all mixing together with all the butter. And this is gonna taste so good. That's the beautiful thing about it, is that besides the fact that it's so simple, it also just ends up tasting so good. And like I said, I like to start off with low heat. And now I just turned it up a little bit, but that's about it. Here you can see the flame on the bottom, you know, so it's a little bit turned up from low, kind of like medium low. And now we can see that it's really starting to just get nice. You see how nice and buttery this is. So, and now I can pretty much take this out. As you guys can see, like I said, none sticks to the pan, and they're just, man, this is just good. I'll show you guys some real quick. Some buttery. You didn't have to do anything too complicated either. Hold up. You guys, it's so perfect. It's like, it's nice and buttery, and it just tastes great. Just smells so good, and it's really good. You guys could do it up however you want, mix it with whatever you want, but this is the basics on how to make the best scrambled eggs. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.